As the global automotive industry rapidly transitions towards electric vehicles, or EVs, to combat climate change, an intriguing ethical dilemma emerges. Should EV car manufacturers invest in their own mines to ensure a sustainable supply of essential minerals? While this may seem like a logical step for securing resources, it raises complex questions regarding environmental impact, social responsibility, and the long-term sustainability of the electric vehicle revolution. Electric vehicles heavily rely on certain minerals, such as lithium, cobalt, and rare earth elements, to produce batteries and other vital components. With the anticipated surge in EV production, demand for these minerals is expected to skyrocket, potentially leading to supply shortages and price volatility. This prompts EV manufacturers to consider investing in mining operations to secure a stable supply chain and mitigate potential disruptions. On one hand, establishing their own mines would give carmakers greater control over the extraction process, enabling them to enforce strict environmental regulations and ensure sustainable practices. By prioritizing responsible mining techniques, they can minimize ecological damage and mitigate the negative impacts associated with conventional mining operations. Furthermore, carmakers could promote research and development to explore alternative, eco-friendly materials that could eventually replace some of the more contentious minerals. On the other hand, mining activities, regardless of how responsibly conducted, inherently have environmental consequences. Extracting minerals often entails habitat destruction, soil degradation, water pollution, and carbon emissions, even with the best intentions. Critics argue that rather than exacerbating these problems, EV manufacturers should focus on maximizing the efficiency of battery usage, investing in recycling technologies, and supporting the development of new battery chemistries that require fewer controversial minerals. Investing in their own mines could grant EV car manufacturers greater oversight of labor conditions, ensuring fair wages, worker safety, and human rights protection. By directly engaging in the mining sector, they would have the power to influence standards and set an example for responsible corporate behavior. However, this path raises concerns about potential conflicts of interest, as companies would need to strike a balance between profitability and social responsibility. Additionally, focusing on mining operations might divert resources and attention away from improving EV technology and charging infrastructure, potentially slowing down the overall transition to sustainable transportation. Rather than solely relying on self-mining, EV manufacturers can explore collaborative approaches. By partnering with established mining companies, they can actively engage in shaping responsible mining practices, ensuring environmental and social sustainability. Collaborations can also foster research and innovation for greener mining technologies, such as using renewable energy sources to power mining operations or improving recycling capabilities. Moreover, EV carmakers can engage in initiatives to support recycling and circular economy principles. Developing robust recycling infrastructure for batteries would reduce the need for new mining activities while minimizing the environmental footprint of EV production. Ultimately, the objective should be to foster a transition towards a cleaner and more sustainable transportation system, where EVs play a significant role. This requires a multifaceted approach that considers environmental impact, social obligations, and technological advancements. Only by carefully navigating these challenges can EV car manufacturers contribute to a truly sustainable future. 1. Market presence and sales volume. Tesla, as a pioneer in the EV market, has established a strong market presence and has consistently delivered impressive sales numbers. The company's Model 3 became the best-selling electric car globally in 2020 and has continued to maintain a strong market position. Other established automakers such as Volkswagen, Nissan, and Chevrolet have also made significant strides in the EV market, and have seen notable sales volumes for models like the Volkswagen ID.4, Nissan Leaf, and Chevrolet Bolt EV. 2. Technological innovation and range. Tesla is widely recognized for its technological advancements, particularly in battery technology and autonomous driving capabilities. Their vehicles offer long-range capabilities, with some models surpassing 300 miles on a single charge. 3. Charging infrastructure and network. Tesla has a distinct advantage with its supercharger network, offering fast charging capabilities across a wide network of stations globally. This network provides Tesla owners with convenient and reliable charging options, alleviating range anxiety. However, other automakers, such as Volkswagen through its Electrify America initiative, are investing heavily in expanding public charging infrastructure, aiming to offer comparable charging convenience to Tesla. 4. manufacturing and production capacity. Traditional automakers like Volkswagen, General Motors, and Ford have extensive manufacturing capabilities and experience in mass production. This gives them an advantage in scaling up EV production to meet growing demand. Additionally, these established manufacturers benefit from existing supply chains and distribution networks, which can streamline production and delivery processes. 5. Brand perception and customer satisfaction. Tesla has garnered a dedicated and passionate customer base, often attributed to its brand image, perceived as innovative and futuristic. The company's strong emphasis on performance, technology, and sustainability has resonated with consumers. Traditional automakers leverage their well-established brand reputations, customer loyalty, and dealer networks to instill confidence in their EV offerings. Determining the best EV carmaker for success requires a comprehensive evaluation of multiple factors. While Tesla has been a trailblazer and has enjoyed significant success, established automakers like Volkswagen, General Motors, and Ford are making substantial investments and showcasing their capabilities in the EV market. Market presence, technological innovation, charging infrastructure, manufacturing capacity, brand perception, customer satisfaction, and affordability all contribute to the overall success of an EV carmaker.